won last round, so we switched colors. I got red, blue. I got the best colors.
Yeah, we exchanged the colors to be fair, and we decided to make 3 rounds.
Now this one, the loser has to buy anything the person wants.
Limit is $5.
No, can a limit be 10?
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, because she already got the first round, so she has more chance. You were supposed to do this before we started. $5. Let's see. I have positive energy.
I have very positive energy too.
I feel that you're nervous.
I'm not nervous.
I think you know that you will lose, right?
No. I know that I will win. It's not your turn.
It's my turn. Come on.
You didn't place anything? Oh, you didn't. Oh,
Oh.
Anyways. I'm scared. I can't put it. I'm stopping.
Even you lose this round, still you have chance. But if I lose, I will lose because 2 out of 3. So no need next round. If she wins this game, so she's the winner. But if I win, so we will play 1 more round.
I'm going to win. I don't know what he's even talking about. He's just wasting his money at this point.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh.
Go on.
Why are you hurting me like this? Okay. I'm scared. I don't know what to put.
We don't touch the structure, okay? We just place our piece to be fair.
I'm not gonna put that there.
Okay.
Wait, I need to find a good spot. Hey, you're not touching it, are you?
No.
Oh my gosh, yes I did.
I placed behind. Okay, go on. Okay, move your hands. Oh.
This is hard. I have the worst pieces.
Come on. She was saying same thing when she was having my pieces in the first round. Go on. So you realize that she's finding excuses.
I have the worst pieces. I don't know where to put it.
One.
Oh my